So students, today we are going to study about complex numbers. That is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. When we are solving a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, this discriminant is very important. Distinct and real. This thing we have studied in class 10. And one more thing, that if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots will be real and equal. And the third was that if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, I am writing here, roots are real and equal. In higher studies, like studying about the electric that voltage, so those equations there are used, those imaginary numbers. So first understand what is the imaginary numbers. Now suppose we have an equation like this, x square plus 1 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, yes? Do you agree with me or not? Is this a quadratic equation? Yes? Yes. Right. So suppose if I ask you to solve this, so what you will do? Now we have started the concept of imaginary numbers. So this root under minus 1 is a special number which is called as imaginary unit. We will start the full concepts of the complex number, and this root under minus 1 is denoted by I. It is denoted by I. That means I is equal to root under minus 1. Now let us first explore I into I. So I can write this as minus I. So I square is minus 1, but I cube is minus I. Now what will happen if I write I to the power 4? I to the power 4 is basically I square into I square, or we can write like this also, I square whole square. Now do we know I square?
Yes.
Here, minus 1. And minus 1 whole square? 1. So we have I square is equal to minus 1, we have I cube is equal to minus I, we have I to the power 4 equals to 1. Now what will happen if I ask you what is the value of I to the power 5? We can write like this, I to the power 4 into I, and we know that I to the power 4 is 1, so it will become 1 into I, and that is I. Now the same thing will repeat again. Suppose if I write I to the power 6, it can be written as I to the power 4 into I square. I to the power 4 is 1 and I square. We know that I to the power 4 is 1, so I to the power any number which is a multiple of 4 is 1. That means I to the power 8 is also 1, I to the power 12 is also 1, I to the power 16 is also 1. So this I to the power 40 is equal to 1, and here it's I, 1 into I becomes I. Now tell me I to the power 40 is how much? 1. Good. And I square? Minus 1. Yes. Again I to the power 40? 1. I cube?
Minus I.
Yes. See, I cube is minus I. So I am writing here minus I. I to the power 40 again 1. And I to the power 4, that will remain 1 only. Now here we are getting I minus 1 minus I plus 1. So this expression is becoming how much?
0.
0.